least common multiple. We're going to start by looking at the box in the middle. In the middle, it tells us that the least common multiple, which is also known as the LCM, is the common multiple with the smallest value. So you're thinking about your multiplication tables. We want the smallest one that they have in common. You're going to find it by listing out the multiples, or you can also use the step method, and I will explain both of them. This step method is the same method that we used with greatest common factor. It's just we get our answer from a different part. So jumping over here to the left with example number 1, it says, what is the LCM of 8 and 10? So what we're going to do is list out our multiples. 8 times 1 is 8, 16, 24, 8 times 4 is 32, and so on. Then we list out the multiples of 10. And we look for the one that they have in common. The smallest one, the first one that they have in common is 40. They also have 80 in common and a bunch more. It goes on forever, but we want the smallest one. So the LCM, or least common multiple, is 40 in this case. Okay, so now let's go over to the right and look at example number 2, and I'm going to show you how to do it the step method way. And this way actually is good to use with numbers that are larger, and it's easier to break them down into something more manageable. I'm going to show it to you with numbers that are a little bit smaller though, just so we can kind of get the gist. We have from 9 and 21. We're going to think about what numbers we can divide them by. Well, we can divide them both by 3. I get a 3 and I get a 7. 3 and 7 have nothing else in common other than 1. To find the LCM, you multiply everything in the L shape, what you took out and what you are left with. So my LCM would be 3 times 3 times 7, which is 9 times 7, which is 63. So you're breaking it down, and then you're going to multiply everything that you took out times everything that's left over. What you're doing essentially is removing any repeats. I hope that this video has helped you to understand how to find the least common multiple, and that it will help you to complete the rest of the worksheet. I look forward to seeing you again in another video. Bye for now.